What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Dan. Look, we back in the trap. We cooking up another banger. Look, today we got another. Sorry, I'm sick, man. My nose stuffed up. I'm drinking third flu right now. Look, we got another Hurricane Wisdom video. He must be fun to drop an album. Look, we got Living It Up. My boy's in Nigeria. So let's check this out. My boy traveling for the video. You better be more grateful. Look at that shit, y'all.
I'm living life, putting the greens I roll. Battles on inside, outside tonight it's a big vibe.
My boy international.
I'm feeling alright. I got what you're looking for. Putting the greens I roll. I got what you're looking for. Lifestyle, I got cheese in the turbo. 100,000 and no 63. In the back of this coupe while I speed. Oh, you don't wanna have me. Want no bag and they coming in three.
Is it me or these dads getting a little zesty? I'm not gonna lie, bro. We ain't judging nobody. I think niggas just having fun dancing, but they get to a point. That's a girl, ain't it? They gotta be a girl. Cause that's a dude, right?
No 63.
We not judging. It's like some of these dancers getting a little zesty.
In the back of this coupe while I
Like, huh? And you not even do it shit for y'all. I'm back to the video though.
lifestyle, I got cheese in the turbo. 100,000 and no 63. In the back of this coupe while I speed. Oh, you don't wanna have me. Want no bag and they coming in threes. Want no bag and they coming in pairs. Ice out, I think no one can pass. How fast, that's how this shit wears. I be so deep in my elements. Put them on vibe onto the end. If you down me, don't mean cause evidence still. Don't mind me, no pressure on me, oh. Don't mind me, the hustle, real. Put them on vibe onto the end. If you down me, don't mean I'm living life, oh. Put in the greens I roll. Battles on inside, oh. Outside tonight, it's a big vibe, oh.
That's hella key.
I'm feeling alright. I got what you're looking for. Put in the greens I roll. I got what you're looking for. Follow for love, follow for love. One a good time if you follow me. Party tonight.
Oh, that boy had it out wide.
Shake it, wine on me. No road, that time on me. Stay on my gram if you crying on me. When you're on my mind, you think I'm dying. When you're on the floor, you think I'm dying. I be so deep in my element. Put them on vibe onto the end. If you down me, don't mean cause evidence still. Don't mind me, no.
And the thing about it, like, I don't know if this like third world country type shit, but if you compare this to the projects kind of living a little bit better, bro. But over here, they had the most fun and the most freedom, and they can care less. It looked like all the females and niggas chopped their hair off just to save them money, though. Maybe there was a girl in the yellow tank top. Yeah, they chopped everybody's hair off. It looked like that was a little girl. Even her hair cut off. Yep.
I'm living life, put in the dreams I roll. Battles on inside, outside tonight it's a big vibe, I'm feeling alright. I got what you're looking for. Put in the dreams I roll. I got what you're looking for. I'm living life, put in the dreams I roll. Battles on inside, outside tonight it's a big vibe, I'm feeling alright. I got what you're looking for.
Yeah, be grateful. Y'all niggas complaining about the hood. Look at this shit, man. These motherfucking houses built with sticks and these houses over here built with sticks and shit, fake wood too. But stop complaining, man. Be more grateful, man. It's people over here in other countries starving.
Put in the greens I roll. I got what you're looking for.
Yeah, be grateful. Yeah, shout out to Hurricane Wisdom.
What if I told you?
My boy International, bro. And he like Haitian. What is Hurricane Wisdom?
You could bring your craziest ideas to life in just a few clicks. The new
That's
Artlist
what's
AI
up.
toolkit has
This nigga finna get some money, bro. I'm gonna tell you why. Look, the most of people, I can't even talk. I'm sorry, it's like my nose stuff. The most successful people are international. Speed, ISO Speed. What he do? He went over there to fucking China, fucking Dubai way, Africa. He got their fan base. They brought their fan base to here. What Kai do? Kai went to motherfucking China. The same shit. He did the same fucking recipe. People who go international and come back, they get their fan base, and they unite this shit. Come on, man. All you gotta do is set one product. And you got the whole world fucking with you? Come on, bro. Imagine this streams in the U.S. It's hella people in the U.S. Now imagine streams in motherfucking Nigeria. Now imagine streams in Russia. Now imagine streams in motherfucking Dubai way. Now imagine, it's like, come on, bro. We gotta stop thinking small-minded. And when I be seeing them, I'm like, oh yeah, these niggas networking ain't working. But he probably went back to his family roots, though. But be more grateful, bro. I'm in this bitch complaining about some money, motherfucker. I got a motherfucking nice ass 2-bedroom, heat, food full of fridge, and no motherfucking sticks and stones on the motherfucking ground. And I look at the video, it made me more appreciative, bro. We gotta stop complaining about shit. Cause I ain't got it all, but I got more than somebody. Shit. Be grateful.
I'm living life, putting the greens I roll. Bottles on inside, outside tonight it's a big vibe. I'm feeling alright. I got what you're looking for. Putting the greens I roll. I got what you're looking for. Lifestyle, I got cheese in the turbo. 100,000 and no 63. In the back of this coupe while I speed. Oh, you don't wanna have me. From the bag and they coming in threes. From the bag and they coming in pairs. Iced out, I think no one can pass. How fast, that's how this shit I be so deep in my elements. Put them on vibe onto the end. If you down me, don't mean cause evidence still. Don't mind me, no pressure on me, oh. Don't mind me, the hustle, oh. Put them on vibe onto the end. If you down me, don't mean I'm living life, oh. Put in the greens I roll. Bottles on inside, oh. Outside tonight, it's a big vibe, oh. I'm feeling alright.
Yeah, shout out to Hurricane Wisdom. He got an album come out. He got to, but he making too many. He making too many features. He doing too much singles. He dropping an album, bro. Pray to God it's cold go away, man. It's 88 degrees. I'm in this motherfucker drinking third flu, sniffing up. Hit the like button, comment down below. 3 strikes to the family. Nigga, I'm doing these reactions and I'm sick. I am healthy. Let me not speak negative. I am healthy. I am getting better. You know, feel me? Other than that, hit the like button, comment down below. 3 strikes to the family. Comment down below any video you want me to react to. You rap, you got an EP, you got a freestyle, you got a new song you finna drop. Please send it to Dare to Do Leaks, and I will talk to how to get you on this channel. Other than that, I'm gonna see you on the next video.